81 in Portland for a high, 80 in Wiscasset. You know, the cold front's coming through today, but we talked yesterday about how, despite that fact, it was still going to be pretty warm today. And along the coastline, it was still humid. Dew points in the mid-60s, upper 60s even. And so we're in that sticky range. But notice the mountains have dew points in the 50s. So all this is coming towards the coastline and will be drier. We'll be drier in air mass, at least overnight tonight. We won't be drier as far as precipitation. You can see it's starting to build in. It's all light stuff. Some of this is not even hitting the ground, but the echoes back towards New Hampshire and Massachusetts are hitting the ground. And so we'll see some periods of rain tonight that will get heavy at times, especially after midnight over southern coastal Maine, into the mid-coast, into down east Maine. And it'll have those downpours in there through tomorrow morning. Notice as you get farther north, it's not exactly beautiful, but it's not raining. So far northern Maine will stay dry through at least the first half of the day tomorrow. The rain tends to move away by the middle of the day, but it's still cloudy. It's cool, and there's a couple of showers around. We stay cloudy for Saturday as well. We'll try to poke a hole or two in the cloud cover. I don't think we'll have a ton of success doing that, to be honest with you. And we'll see some pop-up showers on Saturday, not as many as we'll see on Friday, and then we'll head into the 4th of July and try to get a few sunny breaks in there. I don't think there's a ton, and the problem here is that I think the computer models may be underestimating the number of showers because the low is going to be right there. There's a cold pool aloft, and that's not good in July. And so I think as we go into Sunday, we'll see a few breaks of sunshine, but there'll still be a chance of showers on Sunday afternoon. I want to be clear about that for a number of events that are happening. I think they will be able to go on, but I don't think you should plan on it being totally dry. Temperature-wise, we're going to stay in the 60s. I'd be shocked if we get to 70. Now, forget about these numbers. I think they're enormous. I think they're very high. But the point is the distribution. So if you're in Aroostook County, or really even all the way to Millinocket and Greenville, there isn't a whole lot of rain this weekend. The farther south and west you get, the wetter it is, and especially into New Hampshire. So just keep that in mind depending on your location. Quick look at this, the warmest Junes on record. Smashed that one. So 68.9. By the way, warmest July on record was 2020. So if we beat another record, it'll be last year's. Pop-up showers continue on the 4th of July, clearing out. Next week actually looks pretty good. Monday, upper 70s, mid 80s by Tuesday, could be back into the 90s by Wednesday, and then partly cloudy on Thursday in the upper 70s. So if you didn't catch it quite right this weekend and you have next week off, it's all good. And again, guys, the good news here is when you talk about fireworks, what I normally see is if you've got fog or super low cloud cover, you can't do it, or thunderstorms. So I think we'll be okay. We should be able to, the cloud should be high enough that you can still see fireworks.
Great. So. And the other good news is that humidity is gone.
It's gone until, yeah, about mid next week or so.
Awesome. Thanks, Keith.